Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide certain games and applications in the Google Play Store on your phone. So to do this, we want to go up to the top right and click our profile picture. And once we do that, this is going to bring us to the settings page. So here it is. Go on down to settings, select that, and then go on over to family. Then go to parental controls, and then turn this on. So you're going to have to come up with a PIN when you turn this on, and just remember the PIN. So I'm going to make mine really easy. Now, once we have the PIN turned on, we can go to apps and games, and we have to select the level of the parental control. So if we set it to everyone 10 plus, only those certain games that are for everyone 10 plus will display. So if you set it to teen or something like that, you're not going to see mature plus content on your phone. So just a heads up, go ahead and set this up the way you want, and then you can do this for films, TV shows, and books as well. So just set up your parental controls and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.